Hi everyone and welcome back to another day in Benidorm. Bit cooler today than what it has been. Thought it would be a nice day today, but not really. Down here on Thomas Ortuno. Nice sort of like hair and beauty shop there. Right, so down the street is that I think the lights go all the way down actually. Look better at night though. Oh, really look better at night, guys. Of course, you do have the doctors there. Great place. Unbelievably fair few people who work there speak English as well. Unlike the doctors up the English end up in the Rincon to Benidorm. You go in there and you got to have a translator with you. Weird. Rather busy down here today actually. Probably everyone trying to get Christmas shopping. Thank God I've actually done it already. Managed to get what everyone wanted, I hope. Well, done it somewhere around in November, I think it were. Just a bit of money, so I thought I'll get stuff done, make sure I've got the presents in, then I come December, more time to go filming, and I ain't got that constant panic of trying to like plan when to go where and like what opens when and all that. Only thing is, Scooter Sue and Mad Mike didn't have the same idea, did you?
I had the idea, mate, but I ain't got the money to do it. It's hard.
Yeah. Little Christmas up there. I'll tell you something. I'll be glad when it is Christmas. Because then I guess it's all the stress over. Well,
lovely then, Marcus.
Yeah, lovely done at Christmas, I mean. I think we're spending Christmas at home this year, sadly. Just seems like prices of stuff have gone up a fair bit. Nice little shop there, since Black Atmosphere. Anyway, lot of stuff seems to have gone up in price this year. Food, drink, pretty much everything, so yeah, a lot of your restaurants as well. But
Second-hand shop.
Anyway, as I was saying, a lot of restaurants have put prices of food up due to the cost of living crisis, so I reckon the Christmas dinner this year, I mean, you could be paying out €50, and that's just like one person 3-course meal. So for like 3 of us, €150. Then, of course, drinks on top of that, and remind me when I get home to strangle Mother. Sue got back from shop earlier, it's trying to rain. We thought like, oh no, maybe it'll hold off. Nope. It is trying to rain. And all I'm in is my Santa suit. There you go, guys.
And guys, we're coming round.
This is all I'm in, guys. Pair of shorts as well. Didn't think it'll be too cold this year. Don't need to go that way, you cheeky sod. Yeah, it's trying to rain, so I think today's gonna be a bit of hit and miss. Just try to get stuff done quickly, I mean. Fingers crossed it don't get too heavy, because if it gets heavy, then we're kinda screwed. Spent half the morning today watching Last of the Summer Wine Christmas special. Absolutely loved it. Fireworks shop's still open if you want to buy me some fireworks for Christmas, so we can annoy our upstairs neighbours. Anyway, Christmas in Benidorm, how can I describe it? It's nothing like a Christmas in England, I'll tell you that for sure. You do see some weird sights, I mean. You could be sat in a bar on the fantasy front, Christmas tree behind you, big inflatable Santa behind you, 28 degrees, and you sat there sipping a Sex on the Beach cocktail. Last year, Christmas Eve, me and Matt Mike were in the pool. Little Santa's got out there for the kids, I believe. Nutcracker, gingerbread man, looks absolutely fab. Some of the stuff Benidorm's got on for Christmas as well, like little Christmas market in Olche Park, some rides and an ice rink up by Town Hall for the kids. And I don't imagine many of your hotels as well. They'd be going rather big for Christmas, to say the least. I know the Mingo Oasis, all Christmas, they had entertainment on. And I mean, Christmas Day at Flamingo Oasis, brilliant, wasn't it, Dad? You'd have your Christmas dinner in separate sittings, so it'll come down to that wet floor you're staying on. Then you could go back up to the little cafe area. They'd have some little tappers out, carol singing, doing arts and crafts with the kids. Like the kids can make Christmas tree decorations, Christmas cards. Then, of course, not forgetting the visit from the big fat man who wears all red. Yet Santa Claus does make an appearance. Sadly, his leg's been repossessed, so he uses a mobility scooter. All happens to us one day, guys. Old age, not can be done to stop it, can it? Anyway, finally down in town, gonna finish off here because I think Mike's gagging to get a film in. So make sure to hit that like, hit subscribe as well, and comment down below what your favourite Christmas special of a TV show is. What TV show, don't know.